Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Nifty Bank Nifty. So this video is all about Nifty 50 chart analysis for December 1, 2025. So basically I will use some levels for my trade. Like this is a 5 minutes chart. Usually I will follow 5 minutes chart for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I will follow some kind of rules while taking the trade. So first, let's see about the market today, how it went. So today the market Nifty 50 opened at 26,325. It's a kind of a big downtrend market. So from morning to almost 12 o'clock, it's downtrend, and then after 12, it moved like in sideways. So it's opened in gap up almost at 120 points up, then followed the downtrend. Then after 12 noon, it goes in sideways. So it's a kind of a bearish market today, you know. So basically, for taking trade, we must know what are the indicators and what is the candlesticks patterns. That's are all very important while taking the trades. So basically, I will tell you guys about what kind of indicators I will use for my trade. So it's not like kind of a fully woke, but it's having high probability. So let me share that now. Like basically, I will take CPR as my primary indicator because that will in the market sheet chart based on the yesterday's view. So you can see that blue color line and its range up and down. So it will appeared on today based on the yesterday's, I mean last market day's view. Okay, so that is kind of a indicator called CPR, which is nothing but central pivot range. And also I'll include pivot points here. You see red color lines above the CPR or resistance. So R1, R2, R3, and below the CPR you see the green color lines which are called S1, S2, S3, and the CPR's central blue line is called pivot point. So these are the most important indicators we should consider while taking the trade. So it reflects the ranges. So while it go through kind of a long downtrend at CPR and R1, S1 and R2, S2, it takes kind of a jump on. Okay, so these are kind of important levels. We can get this level before, I mean at the time when market opens, so that we can understand where are the important levels. Okay, and also one more thing I need to include here. So another two levels, I mean another two important lines we should have in our daily chart. Okay, those are called previous day high and previous day low, because that also kind of the important indicator for the current market. So you see that black line. So 26,281 is the previous day high, and 26,172 is the previous day low. So you must have these all things in your chart, like CPR, S1, S2, S3, and R1, R2, R3. S is nothing but support, R is nothing but resistance. Okay, and also previous day high and previous day low. So from this you understand what are the important levels in the market for that particular day. So this is for December 1, 2025. Okay, so market opened at 26,325 and it went to almost 200 points down. After 12 o'clock it went in sideways, as I said before. So so possibility to take the trade is where we can take the trade while seeing the chart. So you see, market opened at 26,325 and the first candle itself the bearish candle. So it opened at gap up, but first candle itself the bearish one. So it's not possible to take under that candle because since it's bearish, we can't confirm based on the single candle, that is the first candle for the day. We can take or may decide it's not bullish or bearish. We can't decide based on that particular candle alone. Okay, so you see, as I said in previous our talk, in previous day high it takes kind of a support in the first candle itself. It jumps back slighter upwards, then again came down. So previous day high plays the important role here. Then again it break that one and came down to R1. Then it again jumps back up to some points, then again break that level also, and it came below up to CPR range. So CPR range is an important level, as I said before. So until 11 my levels are worked perfectly here. So first candle is a bearish one. It takes a support on previous day high and it jumps up for some time, then again came down and it takes support on R1, then again it goes up, then again it break both the important levels, previous day high and R1. Then while breaking these two, market came down to CPR. So you can buy put option call here, maybe in the money option. So 26,300 or 26,200 you can buy here after breaking the candle of the broken one. So you see, this candle 1035 candle broken the range. You can take the trade in 1040 candle and make some profit when it reaches the CPR range. Okay, then again it jumps up to some points when it touches the CPR, then again came down, then it again faces some resistance in previous day low. Okay, then it jumps back slightly higher, then also it's broke that thing. Then this green line is nothing but the support one, S1. So it takes a support in a green line, that is S1, then again jumps up to some points and it reaches the CPR range, then again came down. Okay, so the possible to the possible options to take the trade on this day are 1140, sorry, 1040 and yeah, 1040 alone is a good option because this also broken, but we are not sure about this candle because this is kind of the the 1145 candle is kind of the candle is a CPR range itself. So we are not sure it will broke the CPR range, and also we are having the another important level previous day low exactly to that last point of this candle. So it's not good to take the trade. So and also there is kind of a bearish one, but it also not good because in this candle only 1230 candle only you see there are the lot of bears here. So it's not good to take a bullish trade here. Then it slightly go up to CPR and maybe in this scenario you can take some risk because it the market is kind of the long bearish, so it tried to jump up for long time, almost from 12 to 2 o'clock, that it 14 here, and it again goes down only. So you can trade or take the pull option call, I mean buying the put option 2000, sorry, 26,200 put option buy here in this 230 candle and make some profit until it reaches previous day low. Since it is bearish, you can also wait for that to reach this S1 also. Okay, so this is the market analysis and kind of important indicators for me that I made some good profit also today based on this calculation. So yeah, that's it guys, we will meet tomorrow. Thank you.